The 1907 earthquake monument is located at the front of the Garrison Church of the Ascension in Up Park Camp, Kingston 5, St. Andrew Parish, Jamaica. The monument is built over the graves of about 501 unrecognizable victims of the 1907 earthquake, which devastated the city of Kingston. On Monday, January the 14th, 1907, at about 3:30 p.m., without warning, the earthquake began shake. The quake, which lasted exactly 36 seconds with a magnitudinal scale of 6.5, caused over 1,000 of Kingston's inhabitants to perish, and many others died as a result of fires triggered by the earthquake. The idea for a monument over the graves originated with John McKenzie, the then superintendent of the Jamaican cemetery, who became concerned with the neglected state of the trenches. There was an overwhelming response from the public, and a sum of £378, 5 shillings, 9 pennies was collected. The monument was completed in 1909, and on Wednesday, June the 2nd, 1909, over 6,000 people gathered there to witness its unveiling. The monument was rehabilitated in 2016. Marble tiles have been added to the base of the monument, and the grounds surrounding the memorial have been landscaped.